I'm 53 years old, so I guess, I started probably when this is my third treatment, so 51. Just you notice that your energy levels aren't what they used to be in regards to everything. And doing it, I saw, a definite benefit. It's undeniable. When you feel 20 years younger, you feel better. And it helped me to exercise more, and I think that helps as well, just giving you the energy to pursue a healthy lifestyle. Hi, my name is Steve. I came to truMD for hormone optimization therapy. I was aware of hormone optimization therapy, however, I hadn't really considered doing anything about it. I met Dr. Setareh in our neighborhood, walking our dogs actually, and we got to know each other. He told me what he was doing, and that really piqued my interest in trying it myself. Dr. Setareh is fantastic. We'd already struck up a friendship, being neighbors, and seeing him in the office just solidified my trust in what he was doing, his background, what he had studied and who he had studied with, made me very comfortable with going forward with the procedure.
He's getting 100% bioidentical testosterone, which is going to help keep him energized, mental focus, better sex, more sex drive, better erections, everything. Makes him feel better.
I look at it as an investment, in my future. Having energy to pursue a happy, healthy lifestyle, exercising, intimate relationship with my wife, all aspects. It's an investment as I move forward, as I get older, to do the things that I want to do and be active.